Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show you how I made this weekly spread using a ready-made weekly spread. Most of this is one big sticker that you just simply drop right in, and I just added a little bit to it just to personalize a little bit. We're going to be doing this weekly and also this daily because a lot of these stickers come from the same set. So I'll be showing you a daily and a weekly, and I am working in Note Shelf, but you could do this in any other program. The stickers are all PNG files, so if you want to use GoodNotes, it's the same principle. Just basically adding stickers into your journal. This is a 2020 Digibujo by Jenny Gollan Designs. I'll have everything that I'm using linked in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and make a comment. Let me know if you like what I'm showing you or if you have anything you would want me to show. So all of those things help my channel grow. So that will help me out. Thanks. All right, so let's go back to my February week 8. All right, so let's show you how I got this done. First thing I'm going to do is clear the page. I'm going to click my eraser and clear. We're just going to start over, okay? So you can add stickers by clicking the plus sign, click photo, and that'll bring up your photo roll if you keep your images in there. If you have your images somewhere else, like in files or Dropbox, you will have to work side by side. So side by side means you grab your wherever it is your items are and you put your folder on the side and then bring things over. Drag and drop. Now I like to do that, but my stickers are all in my photo roll. Okay, so you can do side by side like I just showed you and just drag and drop. This is a different weekly, but just so you get the idea. Or what I prefer to do, I'm just going to drag it. Rather than going side by side, I'm going to drop it on top and work with it this way. Alright, so my first sticker is in this blue collection. It comes with a bunch of blue stickers, individuals, pre-cropped. When they come pre-cropped, that's good if you want to put your stickers in a sticker book. I don't use sticker books because the way I look at it is I have my files stored for backup in my photo roll. If I then copy them into a sticker book, now I have those files saved twice. That's taking up more storage. And then as I use each sticker in my planners or my journal, I'm duplicating that same image over and over and over again, and that's just too much wasted space. So I just save them all in my photo album, bring them over as I need them, and it works for me. So I don't really care if my stickers are pre-cropped. I prefer them not. So when you're working in your photo roll and it's like, well, those stickers are kind of little, I can't see what they are, you can just tap it and see it a little bigger. I can see that's the Monday start. I don't want that one. That's the daily we're going to use in a minute. Let's see, I want the Sunday start. I'm going to make it small again, drag it over, and there is my instant weekly spread. Okay, just drop it. And there we go. You can leave it just like this and be done. Now, of course, I have to be a little crazy and add more stickers. So let's go and add, let's see, where this one. This one is so pretty with flowers. I'm going to pick a handful of these and just add a little pink to all this blue. Okay, I just drag that sticker over and place it where I want it. Okay, so there's that one. Let's try this one. so there's not so much blue in here. You can also swing this to the other side. Let's add some flowers in here. Rotate. And of course, you don't have to add all of this stuff. I just thought it was a little too blue, so I had to add some embellishments. Let's see, that is a flower. You can add a flower here and there. I'm just winging it here. You just do what you want and make this look how you want it to look. And every time you mess with it, this is not going to be exactly as my previous one was, but every time you play with this, it's going to be a little bit different. So if you make this for today, you can have it with certain flowers. If you make it for another day, you can make it with different flowers. Now let's find some. I like to use iWatch images. These are just PNGs. There's nothing to stop you from using these in your planner. I'm going to swipe that away, tap, long press and edit, just to make this more of a square so that it fits better in the space I wanted to use it in. This is all personal preference. You don't have to do any of this. Long press, edit. Again, more of a square. And we'll put that one on the side. Okay, let's get some more flowers in here. Back into the same spot. Let's see, we'll take the same flowers that we used up here. You can even place them on top so you can kind of gauge the size of your flowers. That's pretty close. Alright, the other thing I used here was a text, so I'm going to make sure my text tool is selected. Double tap on my screen. It's defaulting to whatever I used before. So let's see, what do I want to use? This one, but I want a different color. So that is font beautiful. The sizing is fine, but I want a deeper red, and I'm going to set that as my default. So everywhere I write, it will remember that I want it in red in that particular font. So this was the 16th through the 22nd of February. Make this box smaller. And then I'll just put in my days as well. 16. This is much faster with a keyboard, but we'll just do it this way so I don't have to move my setup. And that's it for the weekly spread. Now, in order to match my daily, let's go back to my February tab, 19. Let's redo this one. So again, I'm going to clear my page. Now, you can do this at the beginning of the week and set them all up and just add a little bit different stickers on top of the main one just for a little bit of variety, or you can certainly just use the same sticker over and over. Nothing's stopping you. If it's just convenient to add them all in at the beginning of the week, then by all means. Let me get back to the blue section here. That is the daily that I want to use. So let's bring that one over. Let's close this out so I can move this. Long press, position where I want it. It's a little big. Just resize a little bit. And drop it into place. And that's it, instant daily. Now I like to add a little bit of prettiness. It's just too blue for me, so this one happens to be a Christmas one. There's a lot of pink in this, but there's a lot of glitter in here too. It's very pretty. So I like this little circle, and we're just going to add this little pink circle right over the blue circle. I'm going to combine them just for a little color. Very nice. Let's add something in the center there. This was a lemon set, and I just want bumblebee. So I'm going to edit and just get my bumblebee from that sticker. Just for cuteness. So I'm going to add my text again, long press on my screen, and I actually want the pink. So this right here are favorited fonts that I've set as favorites before. So if I just click here, it will let me write in that color and that font. Now how I got that was going to the paintbrush. It's Beautiful, which is the same font I was using before, in pink. And if you select a font and a color and all of your settings, and you click the heart, it adds it into your favorites list. Okay, once they're in there, they come up here as well. Now I'm going to just make sure that that is set as my default, so every time I write on this page it'll be the same text. This was February 19th. Again, I'm just adding a little color to personalize a little bit, and you can add in the rest of your day. Go to my highlighter and my straightening tool. My lines will be straight. And that is it. Personalize, color code, do as you need, whatever it is that you like to do. And that is it for my daily spread. I can reuse this over and over, or I can pick a new daily spread every day, whatever works for you. Do whatever is easiest for you. I like to personalize mine every day. I don't like the same pages over and over. So this works very well for me. And the pre-made stickers just are so pretty, and they're already done for you. So I've got a lot of these, but you can have individual stickers, or you can have the ready-made. They're so pretty. You don't have to do anything with this. Just add them into your journal and it's ready to go. Look at that one. I mean, that's just stunning. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share, and please leave comments. I look forward to your comments. Thanks for watching.